Good evening, Professor Alfonso Scopari. My name is Joana Patricia Pescador Hernandez, student of degree in Early Childhood Education. See semester and below, I will answer the question assigned in Unit 1. Who is your closest friend? How did you meet? My close friend is called Yolanda Patricia Cruz, and I met her at my workplace. She is a very good colleague and advised me when I need her most. We also had many things in common and we had a lot of fun when we go out for a drink. 2. How many friends do you have on social networks? On social networks, how many people have that, but I don't really consider them my friends, because you only look at the posts and status they post and many times on the street it is as if we had never seen each other. 3. What were your friends when you were a child? My friends when was a child were my neighbors and schoolmates, because we played collective games, role plays, which are anecdotes and experiences that happen to us every day. 4. Do you have friends who had existing lives? Explain with. So far, it is no. Since everyone is dedicated to working to support their families and the time they dedicated to healthy recreation is shared with their loved ones, and everyone with their cars does not have so much freedom to fully enjoy it, but we too, however, they seem happy with the little or much that leave others them. Thank you.